Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix not enough storage is available to process this command error in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand LAN man server. Click parameters. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type IRP stack size, I, RR, P, S and S are capital letters. Change base to decimal. Value data may be vary from 1 to 12, we are using 1. Close and exit registry. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.